humans have many questions. But not all questions can be answered. And some questions should not be answered because we simply cannot comprehend it. The more we search, the more questions we will have. But as humans are curious, we will always seek answers, no matter if we ever will solve it or understand it. Answers does not always mean we understand it. And as humans, we must accept that reality. There are many theories out there. Some seem logical, and some might seem out of this world. When it comes to interdimensional portals, also known as Stargates, nothing seems logical. However, what we do know is that there is some strange occurrence of portals created between the Earth's and Sun's magnetospheres. These portals connect travelers to alternate timelines and distant realms. If interdimensional portals has been proven to exist scientifically in space, could it be possible that Stargates has existed on Earth? This is presented by Portal. The universe is a dark and mysterious place, and many science fiction stories we grew up with could end up being real. It seems that the physicist Jack Scudders found valid evidence of portals created by the interaction between the Earth's and Sun's magnetospheres. However, these portals are very unpredictable, opening and closing in an instant. Therefore, it's very difficult to study and detect them. But Scudders found some markers, which allowed NASA probes to locate and study them. Observations by NASA suggest that these magnetic portals open and close dozens of times each day. So what exactly is a portal? A portal is a shortcut gate or an entrance to another world or dimension. Scientists suggest that when you step inside a portal, you will exist within a multi-dimensional environment for a short period of time, which is not moving through distance or time, but it's moving through realms of existence. This is called a bubble universe environment. The possible scenarios by entering a so-called portal could be many, as we simply don't have any evidence of anyone passing through one. But scientists have a couple of theories. Either a person will get thrown back and rejected by the portal, or the person would end in another world, dimension, or time. Every sun is a star, but not every star is a sun. Some theorists suggest that the sun is a portal, the entrance is a black hole, and the exit is a sun. The energy enters through the black hole and exits through the sun, making a toroid. The influence of the toroid can be several thousands light years, and it's all interconnected. There's a complex system based on frequencies in its interior. All the suns and all the black holes are connected from their interior, creating the proper knowledge of frequency mapping. A whole communication system that can take you anywhere in the galaxy and the universe. The portal of our sun, they propose, is an exit point of a black hole entrance connected to the Andromeda constellation. Someday it might be possible to visit the Andromeda galaxy. In the blink of an eye, the question is, could it be possible? The word portal, traversable wormhole, or Einstein Rosen Bridge is just a different name for the same thing. It allows you to get from point A to point B very quickly, and you can, in principle, go to the past or go to the future, or go very far away in the same time period. It has been theorized to form when space-time is distorted by the intense gravitational fields generated by collapsing stars. At a singularity point, time would stop as it stretches to infinity, as predicted by Einstein's general theory of relativity. Albert Einstein and his student, Nathan Rosen, explained that the singularity at the center of a black hole is connected to another singularity, which gives rise to a theoretical object, called a white hole. You might confuse a black hole with a white hole. Let's keep it simple. Black holes attract matter, while white holes reject it. Mathematically, a white hole is a black hole that goes back in time. Do white holes exist? Well, no one has ever witnessed white holes, but the equations of general relativity predict their existence. Some scientists believe that an object falling into a black hole does not disappear but moves through the wormhole, and with some change or not, leaves the white hole on the other side into another region of space. Physicists consider it to be theoretically possible for an Einstein Rosen bridge to form. However, Stephen Hawking believed that it wouldn't be possible to travel in time through a portal. But the truth is, we simply don't know. So now that we know that it is theoretically possible that portals or Einstein Rosen bridges can form, and that we have evidence for them to occur between the Earth's and Sun's magnetospheres. What about stargates? Could it be possible that stargates have existed on Earth? Many people distinguish portals as naturally occurring phenomena, and stargates as technologically created. In reality, the stargate is a black hole being completely immobilized and controlled. It requires a very advanced civilization to be able to manipulate such a technology and stabilize the black hole until it's stationary. The ring which stabilizes the black hole would be made of some kind of metamaterial, where electricity will generate the warp field for a person to enter. Either they traveled to Earth far away from their home and build them, or Earth was their home planet to begin with million years ago, and eventually faced extinction. However, if they were a Type 3 civilization, they could abandon Earth rapidly if a threat was near. So the possibility of stargates existing on Earth might just be a dream after all.